Hi, today I'm running the Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. Now we should just open the application, that's why tap to open, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK and we can see information about battery temperature. In my case that's 30 and 2 degrees. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.